Bore da a croeso I Gair Cymraeg y Dydd Heddiw. Good morning and welcome to today's Welsh word of the day. You're welcome to the madhouse this morning. Scout is going a little bit bonkers, but I've got time for just a quick Gair Cymraeg y Dydd. So today's Gair Cymraeg y Dydd is another Christmassy one. Nadolig. Carw. Carw. Carw being deer. Carw. Ceirw being more than one deer. Carw. Carw. Ceirw. Deer. And after all, where would Sean Conn be without his Ceirw to pull the sledge? But don't worry, because they've been given special permission to pull his sledge on Christmas Eve this year, because they've got herd immunity. Boom, boom! Remember to say it as you see it. Mwynhewch, enjoy, hwyl fawr.